Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss some important terms used to describe the magnetic properties of material, in which first I am going to discuss the magnetic field. The magnetizing field. The magnetic field that exists in vacuum and induces magnetism is called magnetizing field. For example, if you consider a solenoid carrying current I and placed in vacuum, if the solenoid has n turns per unit length, then the magnetic field set up in the solenoid is given by B naught is equals to mu naught n I. And this field is called the magnetizing field. Now coming to the second, that is magnetic field intensity. The ability of magnetizing field to magnetize a material medium is called the magnetizing field intensity, and it is denoted by H. Its magnitude may be defined as the number of ampere turns. H is equals to Ni. So H is equals to Ni, and we know that B naught is equals to mu 0 Ni, or it can be written as mu 0 H, or H is equals to B naught upon mu naught. Or we can define magnetic intensity in vacuum as the ratio of applied magnetic field B naught to the permeability of free space mu naught. Its unit is ampere per meter and the dimension is L-1A. Coming to the third, it is intensity of magnetization and denoted by I. When a magnetic material is placed in a magnetizing field, it gets magnetized. The magnetic moment developed per unit volume of a material when placed in a magnetizing field is called intensity of magnetization, and it is denoted by I. I is equals to magnetic dipole moment upon the volume of the specimen. Here the area of cross section is A, the pole strength is small m, and the length is 2L. So volume is equals to area into length A into 2L. And we know that magnetic dipole moment m is equals to m into 2L. Substituting the values of m and v, we will get I is equals to m into 2L upon A into 2L, or I is equals to m upon A. So the intensity of magnetization can also be defined as the pole strength per unit cross-sectional area of a material. Now coming to the fourth, that is magnetic induction. Magnetic induction is defined as the number of magnetic lines of induction crossing per unit area, normally through the magnetic substance. The magnetic induction, total magnetic field, or the magnetic induction inside a magnetic material, is the resultant of magnetizing field B naught and field Bm induced due to magnetization of material. So it is B naught is equals to mu naught H. So the induced magnetic induction B is equals to B naught plus Bm, which is equals to mu naught H plus mu naught I, or B can be written as mu naught H plus I. Now coming to the Fifth, it is magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility measures the ability of a substance to magnetize when it is placed in a magnetic field. It can also be defined as the ratio of intensity of magnetization to the magnetizing field intensity, and it is denoted by psi m, or psi m is equals to I upon h. Magnetic susceptibility is a ratio of two quantities having the same units, so magnetic susceptibility has no unit. Now coming to the next, which is magnetic permeability. Magnetic permeability of a material is defined as the ratio of magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity, or mu m is equals to B upon H. These are the important terms which is used to describe magnetic properties of a material. On the basis of these properties, we can classify the magnetic substances as di, para and ferromagnetic.